69 million men in the U.S. make no profession of faith. Less than 10% of churches can sustain a viable men's program. Tonight, over 40% of U.S. children will go to bed without a biological father in the home. Fatherless children are 5 times more likely to live in poverty, crime, and have emotional issues. Society is suffering because of a lack of positive male leadership.
God is calling us to a greater purpose and a greater commitment. God commands His blessing upon unity, does He not?